Now that you have learned about the amazing benefits of the keto lifestyle, you may be asking, all right, what do I need to do to start? Well, there are a few key concepts you first must understand. Macros being one of them. What are macros? Macros stand for macronutrients, of which there are 3: fat, protein, and carbs. Now, on the keto diet, we eat 75% of our daily calories from fat, 20% from protein, and only 5% should come from carbs. It's essential to get at least 75% fat. Remember, on keto, the key to losing fat is eating fat. Now, I know what you're thinking, all right? How do I get in all of that? Well, it's actually super easy. High-fat foods contain more calories than protein and carbs, so you won't need to eat as often. They'll keep you feeling fuller longer. Also, it's critical to not go over 5% carbs and 20% protein, because doing it may kick you out of that fat-burning state of ketosis. But as you follow our keto meal plans and tasty keto recipes, you'll be on track to burning fat all day long.